everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Andrew Beauchamp here. Now, today is a beautiful day. We still have some nights getting, a little iffy to that cold temperatures that we don't like, but I can't wait no longer, so I'm gonna put in my dahlias. Let's get to it. So I'm just opening up these two dahlias. These ones I got from the dollar store. All the other ones have been collected through tons of different ways, but these are my first ones from the dollar store. So far, I opened one and it's pushing some growth, looking good, pretty darn healthy. Here's the second one. Oh, here's one little tuber that I can actually see growth out of, so that's pretty awesome. So it does clearly have an eye. I don't know how much that's going to produce anything, but there's a bigger thing in here. Oh, there's a bunch of little ones actually. That's one. And then there's this one. This one does look like it's got an eye. So I'm going to try to grow these ones. But for $2, pretty happy. Even if it just ends up being this one. That's a success. Other than the dahlias that you just saw, we have these ones that we grew up in trays. A lot of growth here. And then these ones back here, looking phenomenal and very healthy. And I, of course, cannot forget the dahlias that I've started from seed. I'm so excited for the seed dahlias because I don't know what they're going to look like, and I love a surprise. Let's get these in the ground.
Working hard or hardly working, Dora?
She's supervising. The dahlias back here are done. Really happy with them. I have one of them staked because they were kind of leaning. They still need to be watered in, but I'll get to that in a bit. I also planted one of the dollar store ones right here in the corner of the bed and another one right here in this veggie bed. I have a dollar store one here, and this is one of the mystery varieties. Very excited to see that come up. I have a few other seed dahlias. Let's go find a spot for them in the front yard. Okay, where to plant them? Found a spot. And another spot, although I don't think I can fit another one. So we just planted 15 dahlias in total, and I still have a few extra to give away, which is super exciting. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to tell me down below what you're doing in your gardens. And until next time, stay gardening.